How to deactivate YouTube TV. So there are many ways to deactivate YouTube TV, and for the computer's guide, here is the steps. So on your browser, go to tv.youtube.com and then access the YouTube TV website and then log into your account on your YouTube TV subscription and then click your profile photo, which is located at the upper right corner of the page, and then select settings. And then on the drop-down menu or in the settings menu, find and click on the membership section, look for the manage section next to your base plan and click on cancel, and then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm cancellation, and then you may be asked why you're canceling. So just confirm by clicking yes and cancel. Now for the Android devices, simply just follow the steps here. And for the iOS devices, here you can also follow the steps. Now after you deactivate or cancel your YouTube TV subscription, you still have access to YouTube TV until the end of your billing period. So this allows you to continue enjoying your favorite shows and recordings up until the last day of service. And that is how you cancel or deactivate your YouTube TV.